Hello Year 10. I wanted to give you some tips on using this interactive map, which is called Mortality Rate Infants per 1,000 live births. Basically all that means is when you go to a country, you work out how many children die per 1,000 live births. So when every 1,000 born, how many of those children die? The map is put together by the World Bank, which is a trusted, reputable organization. You can trust this data, and I'll just show you how to interpret it. There's a line along the bottom which gives you the time, the year, from 1962 right up to 2016 or 15, I'm not sure. And you can change this toggle bar so that you can get data for different years, and that will give you an idea of how the mortality rate is improving and getting lower for countries, and that's pretty much universal. Just hover over the part of the world that you're investigating and you'll get the mortality rate for 1966 for Algeria, and it was 149. If I move that along there and try and find, might have to give the map a little time to catch up because it's loading data in the background, and I'm still waiting. Now I can look for Algeria again, and we can see that in 1991 only 40.3 children per 1,000 live births died. So that's an increase, a great improvement. So further down this map you can see underneath the map other tables. So if you're interested in a particular country and you want to find it, you can go through and search for it, and that will give you the mortality rates in 1993 and 2016, and you can add that information for your city, or for your country rather, into the table. Okay, I hope this has been a bit of help for you. Get in touch with your teacher if you're still confused. Thank you.